Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing today?
We are doing a pet vet.
We're gonna open the playset of Pet Vet.
Yeah, and we need like Piglet to pretend that she's sick.
Okay. Oh, you got a lot of dolls there.
Yeah.
This is what's inside. All of these.
And there's it comes with
Look what it comes
oh,
with.
dog.
See, you get to practice on them because it's a Pet Vet. Scissors.
Yes. This is a bell.
The ointments.
Let's see what's the ointments?
This right here. See?
What else it comes with?
Look at all the stuff that it comes with.
What else?
So you just line them up like this. As to what's
No,
going.
but look, there's that.
Oh, it's right this one.
Oh.
So that's you put it on their head when they're sick. You go like this. I think so. You go. Is it like this or the other way around? And it comes with a kitty cat, a
It comes with a
doggy.
bag.
Hey, tell us what it comes with. It's for your video.
And it comes with a bag.
Yes, and the bag holds everything. That's the vet bag. So, this is what it comes with.
It's
What
a
is
bad
this? You get a shot.
And a bad day.
Get a shot, Lena. Get a shot. Ow! How about you? Ow! Alright, now you have to put some ointment. Come on, come on. You have to put some ointment in there. Right here. Healing ointment. Put it in the booty. And rub it now. Rub it. Her too. Alright, now you gotta check them. Check them. Are they breathing? Yeah, how about the kitty cat?
Bad.
Oh no, so she needs help. Oh, maybe she got fever. Check her fever. Under her arm. Under her arm.
Mommy,
This is her arm.
is this?
How much?
It's 102.
That's a lot.
What's it?
It says 102.
102.
It says 102. That's a lot. Alright, you gotta give her a band-aid now. Come on.
No, we have to
Give them
shots.
band-aids.
Shots.
We gave them shots. Now you have to give them band-aids. You have to put the band-aid where the shot was. The other way around, darling. Goes like this. Look. Oh no. She got a band-aid. What about the doggy? Are you checking him?
Good.
Alright, talk to them now.
Bad. This is still bad.
Here.
Mommy, can you give me a pencil?
Yes.
Guys, I'm here. I'm here, guys. Hey. Ow.
Alright, so do you recommend this toy?
Yes.
Okay. Uh-oh, you checking his throat? Let me see. Open the bag, let's see. That's another pocket. It's the big pocket. Alright, so put them. I'll be back.
I'm putting these. Hey, guys. Okay, so look closer. This close. I'm putting these inside the bag because I put already. Okay. Here. Lower the camera.
That goes inside too. You just fold it, and you tie it up there. There you go. Put it on top of each other. Nice. Something fell behind you. Even the doggy fits in there. The dog and the cat. Something fell behind you.
What's this?
Put it inside. That's a casket. Let's say if they break their leg or hand, you put it. Alright, show us.
This is it. This is what's inside.
Nice.
Thank you guys for watching and give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!